See, it's a very nice sound and moves around. Purely Indian toy. The principle is very simple. It is just creating hot air. The hot air moves out and you have the boat moving all around the vessel in a very fine movement. Just enjoy that